Hi guys, I'm working on this Pulsa coil. Now we've got a problem on this. It's got a fault light on it. What's happened to it? It's overheated. Can you give me a jug, please? So what's happened to this is the header tank has got water in it, so it must have evaporated over time, and due to that it's overheated and the overheat stat is tripped out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the header tank with water, refill it, and reset the overheat stat, and hopefully everything will start working. Alright, let's try the boost stat first. So thankfully the power is going to the machine heater and the machine heater is working fine. If it trips again, the overheat stat trips again, there is water in the header tank, then eventually I'm going to have to change the overheat stat, but at the moment it's working and we'll see how it goes. Okay, job number 2. Diverter valve issue on this one. Is it off?
Yeah, it's off now. Yeah, that's just switching off now.
Is it off?
Yeah, it's off now.
So what's happening on this one? It's got 2 diverter valves, 2-port diverter valves. It's an S-plan. So the diverter valve for the central heating, that's seized. So that's not turning at all. And the diverter valve for the tank, which is the hot water, that's just continuously on, staying on. That's fine. So I'm just gonna.
So this will be one of your power that you can post on YouTube then?
Yeah, it's an interesting one.
That's brilliant, that is.
Right, let's switch this baby off. Right. What are we doing now first?
Someone just turned on the hot water. Right, I'm going to turn on the hot water now, yeah?
No worries, okay. Hot water on and off, please. But before we do that, look, it's still sending a power to the boiler. But if we now, can you switch it off?
Yeah.
From your hive? Wait a second. Is it off? Hot water?
It's flashing, so it takes about a minute to come on.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's off now, yeah. But the demand on the boiler is still on. And the boiler is still on. Well, it's on. The burner is. But we got no demand, no hot water, no heating. That's heating. And that's the hot water. And so basically, decided to change both valves. Sorry, I forgot to put the camera on when I was putting both of the new valves on. There's only two 22mm compression joints needed connecting. So anyway, I'm just checking everything out now and checking all the water's going in the right directions. Job done, all working fine. Man, it's so hot in this loft. So we got an ignition problem on this one. The condensers are clogged up.
And also, you know, with your friends, bits and pieces like that, it's different if, you know, something like this, I'll have a phone, you know, something like you know what I mean, rather than get a friend, because one, that you come out quite quick, but two, when you owe them a favour, I'd rather pay them, you know, the cash. You got much work on?
Yeah. So the condense strap is clogged up and all the water's been building up back into the heat exchanger.
Is that what's wrong with it, whatever it is?
Yeah.
Full of crap.
Clogged up.
Probably. Yeah, good. Don't do any more in the garden anymore.
Yes. And we tested it out and it's all working fine. And thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. That just motivates us to make more videos.